Okay, welcome to my class, everybody. Students, hope you all are well. I'm also well. You see, this is your Zamal sir is speaking to you. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss a very important grammatical item, a very important parts of speech, adjective. Students, in my last class, I discussed with you about parts of speech, noun, pronoun. And you know, parts of speech are 18 kinds and adjective is one of them. So before that, if I ask you what is adjective, can you tell anybody? Can you tell anybody what is adjective?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Arjit, Arjit, you say what is
Yes,
called adjective?
যে ওয়ার্ড নাউন বা প্রোনাউনে দোষ গুণ অবস্থা সংখ্যা পরিমাণ ইত্যাদি বোঝায় তাকে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ বলে।
Very good, excellent, really praiseworthy. Students, you see there are some sentences on the screen. Okay, can you see some sentences on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
just I am reading
Yes,
them.
sir.
You listen to me. I am reading them. Man is a rational animal. Man is a rational animal. মানুষ হলো বিচার বুদ্ধি
এগুলো কি লিখতে
সম্পন্ন
হবে?
প্রাণী। No need to write. Just দেখো, he ate the whole apple. He ate the whole apple. Then সে পুরো অ্যাপলটাই খেয়েছিল। You gave me 2 oranges. You gave me 2 oranges. তুমি আমাকে 2টি কমলালেবু দিয়েছিলে। I don't like that boy. I don't like that boy. আমি ওই ছেলেটাকে পছন্দ করি না। So students, you see, I have read these 4 sentences before you. Now you see there are some adjectives in these sentences. After the end of the class, you will be able to find out them easily. Now proceed on. And already I have told you the definition of adjective, and Arjit is expert in telling the definition of this adjective. Arjit has answered already. If I tell you again, we can say an adjective is a word. An adjective is a word that tell us more about a noun or pronoun. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. So you see, adjective is a word that works like a modifier. Okay, or it describes more about a noun or pronoun. So students, now you see the definition is here. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. So if I ask you, Roop, what's the definition of an adjective? Roop, tell the definition of an adjective. Tell here. Read from here.
An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun.
Good, very good. তো অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হলো এমন একটা শব্দ যা নাউন বা প্রোনাউন এর সাথে কিছু যোগ করে দেয়। ওকে, নাউন বা প্রোনাউন সকল কোনো তথ্য দেয়, তার দোষ গুণ অবস্থা বোঝায়। ওকে, ডোন্ট মেক সাউন্ড। হু ইজ মেকিং সাউন্ড, প্লিজ? Just I have muted you. Students, you see there are 4 types of uses. There are 4 types of adjectives. Okay, there are 4 types of adjectives, and there আগে দেখো এখানে there are 2 types of uses of adjectives. Adjectives এর দুই ধরনের ব্যবহার আছে। আগে দেখো ব্যবহারটা, uses of adjectives. Uses of adjectives, adjective এর ব্যবহার দেখি আগে। And you see there are 2 types of uses of adjectives, such as attributive. Say after me, everybody, say after me. Attributive.
Attributive.
Uses of adjective. Attributive.
Uses of-
Attributive. Say after me.
Uses of adjective.
Okay. Attributive uses of adjective. What is it? When adjective sits before a noun and adds something about that noun. That kinds of uses of adjective is called attributive uses of adjective. I'm telling you again, when adjective sits before a noun, adjective যখন কোন নাউনের পূর্বে বসে ওই নাউন সম্পর্কে কোনো তথ্য প্রদান করে তখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভের এই ধরনের ব্যবহারকে আমরা বলি attributive uses of adjective.
Attributive uses.
Okay, student, you see example here. He is an industrious boy. He is an industrious boy. You see there is a noun at the end of the sentence, that is boy. Boy is a noun. Boy is a noun. So you see here is a word before the boy, before the word boy, industrious, and it is an underlined word, you see. So here industrious is an adjective. Number B, I have bought some books. I have bought some books. Student, you see there is a noun in the word, that is books. And here you see there is a word before book sits in the line, that is some. So some is an adjective. So in these two sentences, you see there are two adjectives. First on industrious and in second on some. Okay, so you see যখন নাউনের পূর্বে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ বসে তখন ওই রকম ব্যবহারকে আমরা বলবো অ্যাট্রিবিউটিভ ইউজেস অফ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। অর্থাৎ নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের পূর্বে যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভ বসে উক্ত নাউন সম্পর্কে কোনো তথ্য প্রদান করে তখন ওই ধরনের ব্যবহারকে আমরা বলবো অ্যাট্রিবিউটিভ ইউজেস অফ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। ওকে, নাম্বার 2, predicative uses of adjective. Say after me. Everybody say after me. Predicative uses of adjective.
Yes, sir.
Predicative. Tell after me.
Predicative use
Predicative.
of adjective.
Right. When adjective.
Uses adjectives of adjective.
Right. When adjective sits at the end of the sentence along with the verb and works as the predicate of a sentence. You know there are two parts of a sentence and they are subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. So you see when adjective sits at the end of the sentence, adjective যখন ভার্ব সহ সেন্টেন্সের শেষে বসে এবং predicate এর ন্যায় কাজ করে অর্থাৎ বিধিও এর ন্যায় কাজ করে তখন আমরা এই জাতীয় অ্যাডজেক্টিভের ব্যবহারকে বলবো predicative uses of adjective. Okay, you see there are two examples on the screen. The book reads interesting. Here you see interesting is the adjective word in the sentence and it hits at the end of the sentence. You see adjective here, interesting is an adjective and this interesting word sits at the end of the sentence. And in B you see the scenery is charming. The scenery is charming, and here you see charming is an adjective word and this word also sits at the end of the sentence. So in attributive uses of adjective you will see adjective will sit before noun. Attributive uses এর বেলায় তোমরা দেখবে adjective নাউনের পূর্বে বসবে and predicative uses of adjective এর বেলায় তোমরা দেখবে adjective সেন্টেন্সের শেষে বসবে। তোমরা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো এই কথা দুটো? মানে এই দুটো জিনিস বুঝেছো কিনা? Have you understood these two things?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Good, thank you. So we have already known
Welcome.
about the uses of adjective. আমরা adjective কাকে বলে আগে বলেছিলাম। এখানে দেখো অরিজিৎ বলেছিল adjective কাকে বলে আমরা শুনেছিলাম। তো আমি এখানে আবার তোমাদের ডেফিনিশনও লিখে দিয়েছি যে an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. এরপর দেখেছি আমরা uses of adjectives. adjectiveর ব্যবহার দুইটা। adjectiveর ব্যবহার কয়টি?
Duty.
What are they? Yasin, Yamin, what are they? Yamin, tell me what are they? Attributive.
The attributive use of adjective,
and
predicative uses of adjective.
correct. Very good. Okay, so you see আমি অ্যাট্রিবিউটের বেলায় বলেছিলাম রূপ can you tell me, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see attributive use of adjective এ আমরা দেখেছিলাম যে adjective will sit before noun, here you see, and predicative uses of adjective আমরা দেখেছিলাম adjective sits at the end of the sentence. So do you get the point? Have you understood these two things?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, now
Yes,
students,
sir.
come to the next slide. Okay, come to the next slide. Students, you see there is an exercise for you. Everybody take a screenshot over the page. Everybody
Yes, sir.
take a screenshot over the page.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I
Yes,
take
sir.
the screenshot over the page.
Everybody take a screenshot over the page.
Yes, sir.
Have you done it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Done,
good.
sir.
Okay, good.
sir.
Done it.
Okay, okay.
sir.
Okay, good. Now you see the instruction for you is pick out the adjective in the following sentences and say to which kind of use each of them belongs. আমার কথা খেয়াল করো নিচের সেন্টেন্স গুলোতে কোনটি অ্যাডজেক্টিভ এবং এটা কোন ব্যবহারের অ্যাডজেক্টিভ তা জানাবে। যেমন খেয়াল করো আগে নাম্বার এ, the Pacific is a deep ocean. The Pacific
A deep is adjective.
ocean. Yes, you see, deep is a word in the sentence and it is an adjective. In the first sentence, you see, deep is an adjective. Do you get the point?
Sir, কাজী জুবাই ডাক দে।
Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which,
Yes, sir.
which word is adjective in the first sentence?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the adjective word in the first sentence?
Pacific.
Don't you understand me? I'm telling you, I'm asking you.
Sir,
Which
deep.
deep, correct. Deep is the adjective word in the first sentence. So if I ask you,
Deep.
if I ask you which kind of use of it, which kind of use of it, attributive or predicative?
Attributive.
Very good.
Attributive.
Attributive.
Very good.
Attributive.
Attributive. Deep is an adjective in the word and it belongs to attributive uses of adjective. Now, you get the point. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now, come to serial number I. Come to serial number I. The boy was meritorious. The boy was meritorious. Can you see it? The boy was meritorious.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me which is the adjective word in this sentence?
Meritorious.
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 Very good. Meritorious মানে কি বলো? What does it mean? Meritorious মানে কি? Meritorious কথার অর্থ কি বলো? What does it mean? Meritorious means brilliant, talented, মেধাবী. Brilliant, talented, মেধাবী. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So,
Sir, ছেলেটি মেধাবী ছিল।
okay, you see,
Are
meritorious
brilliant.
is an adjective. Can you tell
Talented.
me, now can you tell me which
Madhabi.
kind of use
হ্যাঁ।
of the adjective,
Predicative.
right, of the
Predicative.
predicative uses of adjective? Very good. So, students, have you taken a screenshot over the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Predicative predicative to দিতে
Have
পারবেন ওই
you
স্ক্রিনশট তুলতে
got
পারিনি।
the, have you got the idea? Have you got idea what should you do with this homework? You will find out the adjective word first of all. There are minimum 10 adjective words in these 10 sentences, you see. So you will find out the adjective words and then write what type of uses of this adjective belong to? Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
স্যার আপনি কি এটা আবার এক্সিকিউটিভ ওই যে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ দুইটি প্রকার আবার দিতে পারবেন? আমি
Okay.
ওটা স্ক্রিনশট দিতে পারিনি।
Okay. Students, now take a screenshot over the page again. Okay, you can take a screenshot.
স্যার ডান।
Have you done it?
Done.
Okay, good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Done.
okay, now, students, you see, here you see kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjective. Students, you will remember that adjectives are of 4 kinds. How many kinds? How many kinds?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, you don't understand me. Tell me how many kinds of there are 4 kinds of
Sir, 4.
adjective. Correct. Adjectives are of 4 kinds. You see name and definition. In the left side you see the name and definition, shanga ebong naam. And
Yes, sir.
in right side you see there are some examples.
Example.
Right. Example.
Example.
Okay, students. The 4 types of adjectives are adjective of quality. Say after me. Everybody say after me. Everybody say after me. Adjective of quality.
Adjective of quality.
No quality.
Adjective quality.
Adjective of quality.
Existing.
Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of number. And pronominal adjective.
Pronominal adjective.
And pronominal adjective. Okay. Students, please listen to me attentively. For your better understanding, adjectives are of 4 kinds and they are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and pronominal adjective. Okay. Arijit, tell me the name of 4 types of adjective.
There are 4 types of adjective.
Yes. What are they?
Adjective, predicative.
No. I'm asking you about the kinds of adjectives. Tell me the
Adjective
names
of quality.
adjectives.
Adjective of quantity.
Yes.
Adjective
Quantity,
of number.
adjective of number,
Adjective.
And
pronominal
adjective.
adjective.
And pronominal adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and pronominal adjective.
স্যার কারা জানি শুধু শুধু মেসেজ পাঠায়
Who are they? Who are they? Find out them. I will remove them. Okay, now you see adjective of quality. Students,
Adjective of quality.
yes, you see adjective of quality. The adjective which shows the kind or quality of a person, place, or thing. It is called adjective of quality. You see, you are an honest man. You are an honest man. You see here in the sentence, honest is an adjective and it is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality.
Quality.
And number B, Dhaka is a big city. Dhaka is a
Big
Big
city.
Big city.
So you see in the sentence, big is the adjective word in the sentence and it is also adjective of quality. And see, Della had beautiful hair. Della had beautiful hair. In the sentence, you see there is a word beautiful and it is an adjective. And it is also the adjective of quality.
Adjective of quality.
So you see adjective of quality that shows kind of quality of a person, place, or a thing. And here there are some examples like honest, big, beautiful, tall, long, meritorious, etc. Okay, number 2. Come to number 2, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Okay.
Adjective of quantity.
Quantity, the adjective that shows how much of a thing is meant. How much of a thing, কোনো জিনিসের কত পরিমাণ তা বোঝায়, তাকে আমরা বলি adjective of quantity, পরিমাণ, তাকে আমরা বলি
Adjective of
পরিমাণ। যেমন দেখো,
quantity.
you have enough knowledge, you have enough knowledge, তোমার অনেক জ্ঞান আছে।
Adjective of quality.
Yes,
Quantity.
here enough is
Adjective
an
of
adjective.
quantity.
Right, and it means how much, so it is an adjective of quantity. Then I have sufficient preparation, I have sufficient preparation. In the sentence you see sufficient is an adjective and it is also an adjective of quantity. And number C, you see the patient needs must care, the patient needs must care. How much care? Must care. So you see there are three adjectives in this
Adjective of quantity.
enough, sufficient and must, and they are the adjectives of quantity.
Quantity.
Right, and then number 3, adjective of number.
Adjective of number.
Number, right, adjective that shows how many persons or things are meant. How many, you see number 2 how much, and number 3 how many
How many?
or things are meant, they are called adjective of number. You see the examples here, you have learned many things, many things, it can be counted. Then he came here several times, he came here several times. Then she is the first girl in the class. So student, you see here there are 3 adjectives in these 3 sentences, and there are many, several and first, and they are
Adjective of number.
number. Right, you are. Okay, and finally pronominal adjective. Pronominal adjective, students remember it, pronominal adjective তোমাদের pronoun শেখানোর বেলায় বলেছিলাম যে কিছু pronoun আছে যেগুলো adjective এর ন্যায় কাজ করে। যখন কোনো pronoun adjective এর ন্যায় কাজ করে তাকে আমরা pronominal adjective বলি, তাকে আমরা pronominal adjective বলি। যেমন his father is a teacher, his father is a teacher, এখানে খেয়াল করো his is a pronoun undoubtedly, but here in the sentence it is an adjective too. ঠিক আছে, এখানে his এই pronounটা adjective এর ন্যায় কাজ করেছে। আবার দেখো আমি বলছি my preparation, my preparation, এখানে my কথাটি হবে adjective, যদিও আমরা জানি my একটা pronoun. So students, I'm telling you again to take a screenshot over this page again. Everybody
Yes,
take
sir.
a screenshot over the page. Have you done?
Done it, sir.
Yamin, Roop, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your homework for my next class is, your homework for my next class is adjective, the definition, uses and kinds, and definition and examples of them. Again I am telling
Yes,
you,
sir.
again I am telling you, this is your homework about adjective. You will learn the definition of adjective, uses of adjectives, kinds of adjectives, definition of them, and you will remember minimum 5 examples of each of them. Okay, so hope you
Sir.
will do your
Okay.
homework, and we will meet in
Okay,
our next
sir.
class. Till then, Allah Hafiz, keep well, bye.
Yes, sir. Assalamu
Yes,
alaikum.
sir. Allah Hafiz.
Walaikum assalam wa
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম